Welcome back to ICS Capital. Today we will talk about Occidental Petroleum Corporation. Occidental Petroleum Corporation is an energy company which involves in conducting oil and gas exploration and production activities in the United States, Middle East, and Africa. There are different types of businesses under the energy industry. As for Occidental Petroleum, the company's main business segments include oil and gas, chemical, midstream, and marketing. In the next slide, I will be talking about the weightage of each segment in the company. From the chart above, it is noticeable that oil and gas is the biggest segment of Occidental Petroleum, followed by chemical and midstream and marketing segment. For this reason, the business performance of Occidental Petroleum will be highly depending on the oil price, as the oil and gas segment occupies 70% of its total revenue. Aside from that, it is also observable that the company is focusing their businesses more in United States. However, they are also starting to expand their businesses into different regions in order to diversify the business risks. As mentioned, Occidental Petroleum's business performance is affected by the price of the oil. Recently, the oil price surged significantly and expected to remain high in the upcoming months or years. Therefore, it is believed that Oxy business performance would remain robust. Secondly, the company also has strong market position in the oil and gas industry, as they are the fourth largest oil and gas company in US. This provides them competitive advantages as compared to the smaller companies. Moving on to the underlying risks of Occidental Petroleum. Due to the rising demand of EV and renewable energy such as solar energy and wind energy, it is believed that the oil demand will be decreasing in the future. Thus, it may affect the profitability of Occidental Petroleum in the future too. As the company's businesses mainly focusing in the oil and gas sector, the demand and the price of the oil will directly affect the company's business performance. For example, the company's business performance was weak when the oil price and demand are low and vice versa. The total revenue of Occidental Petroleum has been stagnant over the few years. This is mainly because of the low international oil price during 2015 to 2020. The oil price once peaked at the year 2014 and remained at low prices until year 2021. In the year 2020, the company suffered a huge net loss due to COVID-19 pandemic. However, the company is starting to be profitable again as the oil price have been surging significantly and currently maintained at a high level. Therefore, it is believed that the financial position of Occidental Petroleum will be more optimistic in the upcoming quarters if the oil price is able to maintain at a high level in the upcoming future. Noticeably that the company is having free cash flow over the years even at the year of pandemic. This indicates that the company is having a healthy level of cash flow. In conclusion, Occidental Petroleum's business growth has been stagnant over the years due to the lower oil price and demand. However, the current surging of the oil price has benefited the company as the company focuses mainly in the oil and gas businesses. The underlying risk of Occidental Petroleum would be the volatility of the international oil price and the output policy by the OPEC and OPEC Plus organizations. By now, I believe you have better understanding for the fundamental of Occidental Petroleum Corporation. Do contact us for any inquiry regarding investing in Hong Kong or US stocks. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.